Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Ango, and today we got a new video for you guys. And basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be creating the WordPress theme from scratch. Let's get to it. So, first of all, in the previous video, I showed you how to set up XAMPP. So, you're just gonna start up XAMPP, log into your WordPress admin panel, and you are then gonna go to open up a file manager, go to your local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, and then WordPress, WP content, and themes. So as you can see here, the file itself is the folder itself is pretty empty right now, but we're gonna create a new theme for it. So just quickly go to, again, like I said, XAMPP and local disk C, htdocs, WordPress, WP content, themes. Select folder. That is in Visual Studio Code. And so in Visual Studio Code, as you can see here, we have nothing right now. We just have an index.php. So we have literally nothing. So we're just going to create a new folder. We're going to make it Bootstrap 5 project, for example. And then we're going to open that folder. So in themes, Bootstrap 5 project, you are just gonna create, let me just show you the template hierarchy very quickly. The template hierarchy in WordPress, and I'm gonna put the link in the description, is very simple. You need two files actually to start, just an index.php and a style.css. Even if we go to WordPress template required files, you'll find that there's only three, and where is it? A style CSS and an index.php. So let's just get to it. So in the Bootstrap project, you're gonna do an index.php and a style.css. So going into the style.css, we could first of all make the WordPress theme name. So let me just do that. So and also always refer to the docs. So style.css WordPress codex. Go into the main style sheets. So as you can see, this is all the things you could add. Let me just bring that up. We are not going to add all of this, but we are basically going to add the theme name and Bootstrap 5 project. And then we can add the author, for example, and it's going to be Ango, and then version, which is going to be 1.0, and requires PHP 8.1.6, and we can also add in a description. I'm sorry, description, and in that, or sorry, requires, yeah, actually that was correct. So description, just a Bootstrap 5 project built from scratch with Ango. So if we go over here and then go into appearance themes, as you could see, the Bootstrap 5 project is over there, so we can just activate it because we already have the required files, which are going to be index.php and style.css. So one last thing, you could also add a screenshot. This is an extra. So let me just go to my helper files and add this over here. Let me refresh that. So as you can see here, If you want to add an image for your WordPress theme in the panel, you're just going to add this file, which is also in the template, like required files. Basically, it's going to be a screenshot named screenshot.png. So let me just show you that. Screenshot.png, WordPress codecs. So yeah, basically it shows you that you need like a style.css, index.php, all that. I just want to show you, where is it? All right, anyways, this is what you need to start the theme. So thank you so much for watching this video. Watch the next video where I'm going to be adding the CSS3 and the JavaScript files, which is going to be the Bootstrap 5. And comment, like, and subscribe, guys. This was Ango. You guys have a nice day.